Welcome to Garson.Pro. In this video, you'll learn how to create and customize QR scan codes for your locations, how customers can use them to access your menu, and best practices for placement and usage. QR codes in Garson.Pro come in two main types: menu QR codes and Wi-Fi QR codes. Menu QR codes open the customer mobile menu and ordering flow for an assigned location. Wi-Fi QR codes allow guests to connect to your network instantly without typing passwords. Let's start with menu QR codes. Open the QR code section and create a new menu QR code. First, choose the scan code type. Select Menu from the drop-down. For menu scan codes, you can set a QR token. This is the unique identifier encoded into the QR code. Enter your QR token here. Below, you can see the generated URL for this QR token. You can copy it if needed. Click Create to save the scan code. Now assign this menu QR code to a location. Switch to the Menu Unassigned tab. Select the scan code and click Assign Location at the top. Find the desired location in the list, for example, Dining Table 5, and click Assign. This scan code should now appear in the Menu Assigned tab. The scan code is also visible on the Location Details page under the Scan Code section. Now, this QR code opens the menu for that exact location. Multiple menu QR codes can be assigned to the same location. This is useful when you print a new set of QR codes and want both the old and the new codes to work during replacement. After the new QR codes are placed on tables, you can remove or delete the old codes to keep the setup clean and secure. QR code rotation can also help with security. If a QR code is copied, photographed, or replaced with a fake sticker, you can invalidate it by removing it from the location. Deleting a QR code permanently removes it from the system, while unassigning it from a location simply makes it inactive. You can always reassign an unassigned QR code to a location later if needed. Let's create a Wi-Fi QR code. Once again, click Create. Select Wi-Fi as the type. Enter your Wi-Fi network name or SSID. Enter the Wi-Fi password if required. Select the encryption type. WPA2 or WPA3 are recommended for most modern networks. Click Create to save the Wi-Fi scan code. Each menu or Wi-Fi scan code can be assigned to only one location at a time. Wi-Fi scan codes can remain unassigned or be assigned to a top-level location, such as a hall or restaurant, to represent the Wi-Fi coverage area. Even if a Wi-Fi QR code is not assigned to any location, you can still print it and place it where guests can easily scan it, for example, on the wall near the entrance. Let's print QR codes for your business premises. In the QR codes list, select the menu QR codes you want to print. For example, for Dining Table 5. You can print only menu QR codes, or select multiple menu QR codes together with one Wi-Fi QR code to include Wi-Fi access on the same print. If you need to print the same menu QR codes with a different Wi-Fi QR code, simply do it in a separate print round. When both menu and Wi-Fi QR codes are selected, the chosen Wi-Fi QR code will be added to each menu QR code on the print layout. Now, open the print view. This opens the print setup page. Here you can change the paper size and background design. You'll also see the exact media dimensions and QR code dimensions in millimeters. This is useful if you want to design your own custom background, upload it, or order professionally printed paper and print QR codes on top of it locally. For a quick start, Garson.Pro provides several ready-made background templates. Simply choose one you like from the drop-down. Next, select the print format. We support A5 and A6 formats, which fit nicely into acrylic table stands. For windy outdoor areas or space-limited locations, A4 format works well for stickers. A4 sticky paper is widely available in local shops, and for extra durability, you can laminate it with transparent film. Let's select this A4 format and click Print. You'll now see your operating system's print preview. Make sure the printer paper size matches the selected size in Garson.Pro, and disable any scaling or borders to avoid misalignment. You can also print to PDF and send the file to a print shop if needed. Finally, confirm printing. That's it. Your QR menu codes are ready to be placed on tables and used by customers.